What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you most hyped upcoming free mint NFT project. But before I'm going to show you the project, you just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So before we show you the project, just have to show you another thing, that NFTs are not dead, because a lot of people are implying that NFT is dead and there is no value and there's not a whole lot going on. So this NFT is minting today. It's Weebox and it's a Genesis Pass. And as you can see, this is a free mint. And if we scroll down, and at the time of recording this video, it's still going for 10% of Ethereum. From free mint to 10 in this kind of market, I think is still amazing. Of course, not every single Degen project is gonna make it, only few, but there is still chance and actually good projects are coming out. So the project that I want to show you, it's called Sugar Town. You probably heard about it. They collabing with many different communities, and this is the most hype and anticipated NFT project that is coming out. It's actual video game and it's created by Zynga. Before I'm going to show you founding company, we're going to take a look at Sugar Town website. So if we're going to go here, and then in here you can see their homepage, the little trailer. Website looks amazing, and if we scroll down you can see just more information about the project, and they have different things like chapters. The way this website is made is just looks amazing with all the things and every little detail in this website. And then you can just scroll down and read a little bit more about the project. Then they have different chapters, their vision, you can read about that, and then frequently asked questions. This project, again, like I stated earlier, is going to be free, but they have not announced when exactly or how big this collection is going to be. So you can follow them on their Twitter or X, and then you can go to their Discord, and most of the time Discord is locked. You can still be there, but you're just going to be in the waiting room, and you'll have to wait until they're going to post the code to get in actual Discord. They do a lot of games and lotteries where you can actually win and get a whitelist spot for this project. And I would recommend everybody, if you have time, try your best to get a whitelist spot, because this project is gonna do very well. And based on their Twitter post, most likely this is gonna be 9,999 collection, but again, I'm just guessing. This is not confirmed yet. So then let's take a look at creator Zynga. So Zynga is not supporter or advisor. They're actually creating this project. They are the project. So if we go to the Zynga Twitter account, as you can see, they have over 400,000 followers. And if we go to their website, and I just want to show you one specific option here, they are building mobile video games. So if we scroll down and if we press on all games, as you can see, every single game that they created. Some of them are hyped, some of them are not, but as you can see, they created already so many different games, and one of them is Farmville. It's also on the Facebook, and most of the games you can find either in App Store or Google Play Store. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they have so many different games that they build already. So this is very successful and very hype company that's building Sugar Town. So again, back to their Sugar Town Discord, I would say this is most anticipated free mint NFT project at the moment. And this is it. Good luck to everybody. Hopefully you guys can get a whitelist spot. And they have not announced yet when they're going to be minting, but I've read in some Discord that most likely they're going to be minting in September. But we'll see. Just follow them on their Twitter and then join their Discord for more information. Thanks for watching.